Hi guys, we're back.
Yep, thank you.
Hi.
Hey.
Uy, nga na may labot ka sa oy.
Video.
Yeah.
Start.
Hi everyone, my name is Ruby Jane Nephew and I'm 14 years old and my favorite food is adobo.
Hi. Hi everyone, my name is Smutty Atkinson and I'm 13 years old. My favorite food is spaghetti.
Okay.
Akong pangan.
Bisaya.
In Bisaya ko yan.
What's your name?
Kupangan, Jik Kilusan. Akong dad, Navy.
Navy. Favorite food?
Ito yung ginagawa ko itong chakoy.
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 Ikaw lang.
lang.
Hi everyone, my name is Giancarlo Alolon. I'm 13 years old. My favorite fruit is chicken.
Chicken. Favorite fruit. Now chicken is fruit.
Okay, first, let's try this. Go ahead.
Yay.
Have you seen anything like this before?
No.
Kita na mo ana. No? Sige. Tilaway daw.
What do you think this is called?
Sa tawag ana. Sa tawag? Gahi?
Magabaw.
They don't know.
Don't know. Okay. This is a grilled cheese.
Grilled cheese.
Yeah.
It tastes so good.
Good.
Mukhaon ka na, kaladlaw? No?
Pao nga.
Snacks ra.
Yeah, pao nga. Pao. Ay, bagay.
Okay na.
In America, you eat these for breakfast
Ano yung draya?
Para buntag ra.
with
For breakfast. Buntag.
lugaw.
With lugaw. Mukhaon mo anak with lugaw? Really?
And in America, we put cheese and lugaw.
Try na mo. Lugaw with cheese?
No.
Ako sad.
What would you rate on scale 1 to 10?
10 out of 10.
Wow. Ikaw, Jay? Pila? 1 to 10? Pila yung score? Si Ate, 10. Ikaw, Ruby?
For me, it's like infinite. It's so yummy because of the cheese.
Ikaw, Jake? Bisaya ra. 10?
10?
Napabilain. Kasi ang uban. Okay na ka, Ate? Please eat that much.
That's okay.
Yeah.
What about you? What
First time.
No, malong.
Ikaw,
Score.
pila long?
10 over 10.
Okay.
It's all 10 in the first try.
Okay.
First food.
That's good. We'll see if it stays that way.
True. I think they're shy.
That's okay.
Yeah.
Me too. When I have the camera, I'm very shy, you know.
The brother and the sister at the end likes to eat a lot.
That's good. And
Ayun.
there we go. So, what is this?
American spaghetti.
Okay. Does it look different than Filipino spaghetti?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead and eat. Yeah.
Mix, mix.
Mix it well.
Okay, mix siya.
Mix,
Okay. Jik Jik is so excited. He's like, it's not even that. Okay.
What do you think it smells like?
Adobo.
Adobo.
Okay.
Thank you.
Humot.
You know what humot, right?
Well, it smells good. Okay.
Limpyo na. Pamintaw na. Pagpapamit.
Here we go.
He's got the tactic down. Spin it. That's good.
Yeah. He's a good eater.
Ah.
Carlo. He always eats a lot. Yeah. Does it taste good? Kami? Unsa may mastorya ninyo compare sa Filipino spaghetti? Ang Filipino spaghetti kay
Tamis.
tamis.
Yeah.
Kani?
Sakto.
Sakto. Sakto. Asa mas lami? Ang Filipino or kani? Kani?
Oh,
They like this. Basin, Amerikano ni sila. Maybe they're American.
yeah, maybe.
I think they're gonna finish that.
Okay, good.
They're liking the spaghetti.
Do you like the hot dog or beef better?
beef?
Beef, okay.
Oh. Sige, rate pa, rate. Pila imong ma-rate ate? And finish mo to kanina.
For me, it's 10.
10.
10.
Okay.
Ikaw ate?
10.
10 sad.
Wow.
I think they like your cooking. Pila mo kuya Jake? 100!
Wow. Okay.
Lami.
10.
10 sad.
Okay.
He's eating so much. Jake.
That's good. Does this remind you of any Filipino food you've had?
Masay lami ate.
Mura siya ka nang adobo.
May adobo.
Katong nga sabaw.
Okay. Yeah.
Sabaw sa adobo.
We have the same thought.
Ah,
Like, it tastes adobo. Ikaw, Jake, unsa may lami, Jake? May pareha nga lami. Unsa man? Luto sa imong mama? Food tastes like the food of his mom.
Urut nila jika ito, wala pa.
They're eating. All of it.
alrighty. So
Style.
next we have these.
Unsa may tawag ana?
Burger.
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 Give another plate for them.
Wala, natawag.
Is this like a Filipino burger?
Ngano? Hindi lami.
Asulong manginani.
Took the pickles off?
Yeah, it's sour now. Ruby said that it's sour.
Sour, yeah.
Yeah. Her face looks like this. Lami? Dili.
It's got ketchup, mustard, mayonnaise, and pickles.
Mm.
The pickles aren't very common here.
Yeah, I know.
And then in America, we usually have these with potato chips. So we have these Ruffles sour cream and onion. I'll give you a little to try with your burger.
Mano na ilang paniod to ate? What time do you usually eat this?
This is a lunch.
Lunch. Oh. Lunch na nila.
When you go to school, you might have a hamburger and potato chips.
Mukhaon mo na for lunch?
Welcome unya.
No kanon. No rice during lunch. Sa ilahang lunch sa Amerika.
Kan panghapon.
In America, you might have rice once a week.
Once a week. Ato
5.
5 days. No. 5 eating in a day. Kalima ka mukha og rice. 3 times a day. Okay.
What do you think of the chips? The potato chips? What do you think?
Ang say lami sa potato chips. Lami ra.
Cheese.
Cheese. Unsa may pareha niya nga kuan? Pinoy food.
Pare?
Cheesy.
Cheesy?
But not sweet.
But not sweet.
Yeah.
Does it look like piatos or bigat?
Bigat.
Yeah. They can see the
Okay.
similarity. Na,
Kontag kan siya ya.
huh?
Kontag kan.
Do you usually like eat the rice in your meal?
No.
Unhapon.
No. Here in Philippines, yes, but in
Yeah.
America, no.
No. Look at his face. There's crumble here.
Check. What do you think of the chips? 1 to 10. Chips.
Kani, pila mong i-rate? 1,000.
Wow, even better. than
Yeah,
spaghetti.
because he likes chips. I told you,
Ah.
right? Like if I went home, he always checks my bag.
Yeah.
Ikaw, Kuya Carlo, pila?
100.
100.
I think they like the chips.
I love these chips very much. Ruffles is great.
Kapi.
Ikaw, pila yung mga timotya?
100.
Pila?
100.
100.
Wow.
For both or sa chips ra og burger?
Both.
Both. Ikaw ate? Tirubi?
1,000.
1,000.
Wow.
They have the same rate. I think the ratings right now is getting higher. I think we have to like 1 to 1 million.